Hey friend, in today's video I want to share with you a couple of Christmas DIYs that look high-end that will make an impact this Christmas. 2020 has been hard and it's time to spread a little good holiday cheer with these DIYs that won't break the bank. Make an impact this holiday season DIYing some garlands and Christmas trees, and here's how you can do it. You want to pick up some wired garland ties from the Dollar Tree. You can pick a pack or two depending on how full or sparse you want your Christmas tree to be, and then you want to grab 1 or 2 packs of their garlands. One of the garlands you will leave full size, and then another garland you will cut it into pieces and twist that onto the full size garland. To give your garland a high-end look, you can grab a little bit of baking soda, mix it with some acrylic paint, and have it be a little bit on the runnier side versus thick. And with some gloves, you just want to pack it onto your garland, and you can add as little or as much as you want. Dollar Tree has a couple of ornaments that come in packs, and you can purchase those to add embellishments to your garland and Christmas tree. This garland will leave you pining for more this holiday season. To decorate around your garland, you want to pick up some of these Dollar Tree stocking holders, and to give them a high-end look, just simply spray paint them whatever color you want. I went for this gold color and it just looks so high-end quality, and it just makes my garland stand out. I was so inspired by Target's tree decorations, and I wanted to recreate a version of it from the Dollar Tree because those honestly are so expensive. So I grabbed a basket from the Dollar Tree and took off the little embellishment buckle and spray painted it gold. Now you can do this whatever color you like. I just wanted to give it a farmhouse look. You can also paint or stain the wood of the plunger, and I also dry brushed with white acrylic paint the basket to give it a more rustic farmhouse feel. You want to grab a Dollar Tree garland and cut that into pieces, and to give it a high-end look, you want to do the same process as before with your garland and just add a little baking soda with some white acrylic paint. Tie your garland wire ties onto the plunger, and if you want it to be a little fuller, you can use the garland pieces and twist them onto the wire garland ties, and that will make it look a lot fuller. It's time to spruce things up this 2020. Pillows are so expensive, and this holiday season you can DIY some pillow covers to make an impact. You want to go to Hobby Lobby when they have their 50% off on their pillow covers. I purchased these for just $2 and change each, and I was able to make some amazing Christmas pillow covers. I have a couple options, and my first option is to make your own stencil just using some cardstock paper and doing your own design. I did a simple, very elementary Christmas tree, cut it out, and used some acrylic paint. Using a dry brush, I dabbed the paint onto the stencil to create a Christmas tree pattern and just repeated the process over and over. I'm feeling pine with this pillow cover. My next option is to either draw a picture of something you like or print it out and trace it on some wax or parchment paper and transfer that image to your pillow canvas with a ballpoint pen so that you can fill it in with a Sharpie later. You will slay this Christmas with this pillow cover. For my next option, you want to head over to Hobby Lobby in their felt section. Normally they have these at 50% off, but if they don't, they're inexpensive at 33 cents a sheet. I purchased 2 sheets, and you want to grab some red buttons, and these were half off when I purchased them. And you will need hot glue and something circular to just have a template of where to line up your petals. I created a petal template about 2 inches in length and just repeated the process on the felt sheet. I hot glued them around my guide and added the red buttons as berries. This pillow cover looks tremendous. My final option is to use a ruler and permanent markers and a couple stencils. Figure out your spacing for your lines. You can make them as thin or as wide as you'd like. Fill in your lines with a permanent marker and use a color of your choice. Use a pencil to outline your stencil and then go in with a permanent marker, color of your choice, to fill in your stencil. Oh dear, these are wonderful. Wreaths are so expensive. Even at 50% off at these craft and decor stores, it's still expensive. So to make an impact, you can make your own wreath for a fraction of the price. Go to Dollar Tree and grab a couple of their Christmas picks. I know Dollar Tree and Walmart have their ring wreath forms, or you can also use an embroidery hoop from Hobby Lobby or a craft store, and they're usually $1 to a couple cents. Use some Dollar Tree burlap ribbon and secure that with some hot glue across your ring form or hoop. Use some floral wire to secure your Christmas picks. Add some ribbon and some embellishments of your choice to the middle of your wreath. Dollar Tree sells ornaments in packs, and I like this Merry Christmas, perfect to secure it in the middle of my wreath. To finish, I add some ribbon at the top of my wreath. Believe in your elf, you can make this too. Another way to save money on wreath is to thrift wreaths at Goodwill or at a thrift store, or look around at your closet of old wreaths you no longer want and give it a new look. Use some fruit that you have on hand. It can be pears, apples, or oranges, and just embellish it with stuff you already have around your house. Get the elf out of here. This is cute. Wood signs can be expensive, and you can make some very inexpensive wall decor using what you already have and some things that you can get from the Dollar Tree. I picked this Merry Christmas sign off a Dollar Tree, and I saw a very similar wood sign at Walmart this year. It was a lot larger and a lot more expensive, so I wanted to kind of recreate that in my own way. So what I did is I took off the string off the Merry Christmas sign, and I added some Dollar Tree caulk in the holes to fill it in. Once it was dry, it is paintable. Now I went ahead and painted the sign. A way to save money on signs is to thrift or use any old signs you no longer use, and you can customize it to the season. I painted this white and hot glued on the Merry Christmas Dollar Tree sign onto it. It's the most wonderful time of the year. I hope you got tons of inspiration on all the decorations that you can make this holiday season, and they will look just as high-end as anything you will find in the stores. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe by hitting the red button down below. That way you don't miss any DIY, frugal homemaking, or home decor videos from me. I'll see you again in the next one. Bye-bye!